friends, it's Mrs. Tipton. I thought I'd read you a book today called The Toolbox, and it's by Anne and Harlow Rockwell. The Toolbox. In my cellar, there's a toolbox. It is dark brown where hands have touched it. Ooh, I can see right here, it's pretty dark. Someone's been holding that toolbox. It has a saw. It has a hammer and nails. And in the toolbox, there's a drill that goes round and round and round. It makes holes in wood. It has screws and a screwdriver. And in my toolbox, there's a clamp that holds a piece of wood together. There's a big, strong wrench that turns a big, fat nut and bolts. And there's a plane that smooths out the wood. That's an interesting tool. It makes curly shavings as it runs against the wood. In the toolbox, there's a ruler that can measure, and there's even pliers that can pinch and pull out nails and other things. There's a piece of sandpaper to smooth wood or plaster. And also in the toolbox, there are work gloves to protect your hands. And a piece of metal called a rasp that makes wood nice and smooth also. Wow, there's a lot of things in this toolbox. There are sharp wire cutters and a roll of wire and a can of oil with a tiny hole that it comes out of. It's my dad's toolbox I'm telling you about. It looks like he's making something quite fun. Maybe you'll get a toolbox one day.